Assalamu alaikum all of you. It's me Khadija from RPS Campus 1. Now I am going to announce top third from pre-primary. So I would like to call Sir Jamal on a stage. Big hands all of you. Ishan Nadeem, daughter of Nadeem Ahmad from class Mont. Masifa, daughter of Kamaluddin from class Montessori. Rohan, son of Muhammad Farhan from class Montessori.
Rakhshinda Public School हमारा, Rakhshinda Public School हमारा.
Ishan Noor, daughter of Muhammad Kashif from class Montessori. Hasnain, son of Muhammad Kamran from Montessori. Hania, daughter of Haider Ali from Montessori. Muhammad Talha Usman, son of Usman Ali from class Prep 1. Muhammad Kamish, son of Muhammad Kamaluddin from class Prep 1. Sara, daughter of Muhammad Imtiaz from class Prep 1. Munazza Khurram, daughter of Khurram Shehzad from class Prep 1. Zainab, daughter of Muhammad Salim from class Prep 1. Minal Fatma, daughter of Muhammad Siraj from class Prep 1. Muhammad Ahmad Sohail, son of Muhammad Sohail from class Prep 2. Barika, daughter of Muhammad Zahid from class Prep 2. Ayan Sajid, son of Muhammad Sajid Iqbal from class Prep 2. Abdul Rafi, son of Rahil Ahmad from class Prep 2. Muhammad Saad, son of Muhammad Imran from class Prep 2. Umme Hania, daughter of Abdul Samad Beg from class Prep 2. क्लास 1 to 5 के टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स जो टॉप 10 तक हैं वो रेडी रहें. एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग टू टॉप 10 फ्रॉम क्लास 1. मोहम्मद शम्स खान, सन ऑफ मोहम्मद खालिद खान फ्रॉम क्लास 1. मायदा नदीम, डॉटर ऑफ नदीम अहमद फ्रॉम क्लास 1. मायदा बतूल, डॉटर ऑफ गजनफर हुसैन अंसारी फ्रॉम क्लास 1. अब्दुल मतीन, son of Muhammad Mujahid Hussain from class 1. Anabia, daughter of Abdul Wahid from class 1. Aisha Noor, daughter of Noor Muhammad from class 1. Muhammad Muzammil, son of Muhammad Hamid from class 1. Wania Naseem, daughter of Naseem from class 1. Afia Fahim, daughter of Abdul Fahim Qureshi from class 1. Usman Gauri, son of Shahid Gauri from class 1.
पैगाम आए को बढ़ाए, घर घर में तालीम को फैलाए, घर घर में तालीम को फैलाए.
Ramesh Qadir, son of Muhammad Qadir from class 1. Anabia Ishtiyaq, daughter of Ishtiyaq Mansoor from class 1. Anila, daughter of Manzoor Hussain from class 1. Abrish, daughter of Usman Muhammad from class 1. Muhammad Shayan, son of Muhammad Imran from class 1. Aira Rizwan, daughter of Rizwan Ahmad from class 1. Sayyida Alisha, daughter of Sayyid Asif from class 1. Saima Alam, daughter of Saeed Alam from class 1. Abran Yusuf, son of Mohsin Ahmad Siddiqui from class 1.
दिया जलाए Rakhshinda Public School हमारा
Now I am calling to top 10 from class 2.
हमारा मेरी शम्मा
Asifa, daughter of Ghulam Muhammad from class 2. Muhammad Ahsan, son of Shah Muhammad from class 2. Arham Rahat, son of Rahat Hussain from class 2. Muhammad Mustafa, son of Muhammad Numan from class 2. Sharmin Sheikh, daughter of Shakiluddin from class 2. Shazmeen, daughter of Manzoor Hussain from class 2. Safa, daughter of Ismail Siddiqui from class 2. Hassan Salim, son of Salimullah from class 2. Vania Jafar, daughter of Muhammad Jafar Hussain from class prep 2. Muhammad Hassan, son of Ghulam Mustafa from class 2.
घर घर दुनिया में पैगामे
Zara Imtiaz, daughter of Muhammad Imtiaz. Muhammad Umar Ayaz, son of Muhammad Shahbaz from class 2. Muntaha Fatma, daughter of Usman Ali from class 2. Sadia Ahmad, daughter of Muhammad Zahid from class 2. Iman Fatma, daughter of Shakir Ahmad from class 2. Muhammad Zuresh, son of Muhammad Nadeem from class 2. Ishal Jamal, daughter of Muhammad Jamaluddin from class 2. Maryam Noor, daughter of Rao Maqsood from class 2. Abdullah Abid, son of Muhammad Abid from class 2. Muhammad Abdul Ahad, daughter of Abdul Wahid from class 2.
हमारा
I would like to call Ma'am Misbah from campus 2. Thank you sir, thanks for coming. Big hands all of you. भरपूर तालियों के साथ मैम मिसबा के लिए वेलकम करें सब.
पैदा आयद
Musfira Zahid, daughter of Muhammad Zahid from class 3. Azhan Arshad, son of Arshad Ali from class 3. Ahmad, son of Sajid Hussain from class 3. Hamza Zafir, son of Muhammad Zafir from class 3. Ahmad Raza Shah, son of Shahnawaz from class 3. Muhammad Shahriyar, son of Muhammad Shah Jahan from class 3. Muhammad Sufyan, son of Muhammad Nasir from class 3. Zaid Javed, son of Hassan Javed from class 3. Kashaf Ahmad, daughter of Kamran Ahmad from class 3. Abdul Basit, son of Ali Noor from class 3. Kashaf, daughter of Taj Muhammad from class 3. Alishba, daughter of Taj Muhammad from class 3. Musfira, daughter of Naved Ahmad from class 3. Tuba, daughter of Khurram Shehzad from class 3. Hiba Noor, daughter of Muhammad Kashif from class 3. Anamta, daughter of Muhammad Kamal from class 3. Anabia Noor, daughter of Badrul Islam from class 3. Hifza Sarfraz, daughter of Sarfraz Ahmad from class 3. Ishal Khan, daughter of Muhammad Saud Khan from class 3. Hania Zafir, daughter of Muhammad Zafir from class 3.
को बढ़ाए घर घर में तालीम को फैलाए घर घर में तालीम को फैलाए मैं अपने कायद का पासबान
Now I am calling to top 10 from class 4.
Rakhshinda Public
Bakar, son of Sheikh Muhammad Tabdir from class 4. Raw Mudassir, son of Rao Maqsood from class 4. Shahzad, son of Manzoor Hussain from class 4. Ammar Ali, son of Nasir Ali from class 4. Kashan Ahmad, son of Kamran Ahmad from class 4. Hassan Sajid, son of Sajid Iqbal from class 4. Zufshan Imran, son of Mohammad Imran from class 4. Ahmad Raza, son of Ali Raza Qureshi from class 4. Fawad Ahmad, son of Naseem Ahmad from class 4. Muhammad Ahmad, son of Ashraf Parvez from class 4.
Rakhshinda Public School हमारा, Rakhshinda Public School हमारा, Rakhshinda Public School हमारा.
Fabiha Naseem, daughter of Naseemur Rahman Khan from class 4. Sabiha Saeed, daughter of Saeedur Rahman from class 4. Yashan, daughter of Shamsher Ali from class 4. Aisha, daughter of Islamuddin from class 4. Ariba, daughter of Javed Ali from class 4. Savera Rashid, daughter of Mohammad Rashid from class 4. Muskan Salim, daughter of Mohammad Salim from class 4. Anshura Rahil, daughter of Rahil Ahmad from class 4. Mahlaka, daughter of Anwar Hussain from class 4. Dua Fatma, daughter of Mohammad Junaid from class 4.
पैगाम फायद को बढ़ाए, घर घर में तालीम को फैलाए.
Now I am calling to top 10 from class 5. Fahad, son of Arbab from class 5. Mohammad Burair, son of Kazim Hussain from class 5. Alian Sajid, son of Sajid Hussain from class 5. Muhammad Jawad, son of Muhammad Nadeem from class 5. Ubaid, son of Sajid Hussain from class 5. Bilal Mirza, son of Abdul Samad from class 5. Abdul Wahab, son of Muhammad Wakil from class 5. Muhammad Ashir Bhatt, son of Muhammad Atif Bhatt from class 5. Muhammad Hasnain, son of Shah Muhammad from class 5. Shahzeb, son of Muhammad Hussain from class 5.
Rakhshinda Public School हमारा, Rakhshinda Public School हमारा, Rakhshinda Public School हमारा, Rakhshinda Public School हमारा.
Hurab, daughter of Abdul Shakil from class 5. Aisha Siddiqui, daughter of Naveed Ahmad from class 5. Uruj Khalid, daughter of Muhammad Khalid from class 5. Faria Ali, daughter of Asghar Ali from class 5. Munazza Faiz, daughter of Faizul Islam from class 5. Michelle Khan, daughter of Nasir Zahir from class 5. Zoya Zahid, daughter of Zahid Hussain from class 5. Adiba Khurram, daughter of Khurram Shahzad from class 5. Umme Dua, daughter of Abdul Mateen from class 5. Mahnoor, daughter of Muhammad Nasir from class 5.
पास जगा रहा, Rakhshinda Public School हमारा.
And I would like to call Sir Faisal. Please come on our stage. Big hands all of you. Now I am calling to top 10s for class 6. Muhammad Hasnain, son of Juma Khan. Muhammad Sharik, son of Saud Khan. Ziauddin, son of Salahuddin. Ashar Jamal, son of Muhammad Jamaluddin. Muhammad Arham, son of Muhammad Irfan. Muhammad Shoaib, son of Muhammad Shamim. Muhammad Ayan Bhatt, son of Muhammad Atif Bhatt. Shazil Ahmad, son of Shahid Ahmad. Muhammad Sohaib, son of Shahbaz Ali. Sharikul Khairi, son of Muhammad Arman.
Stand up
Tasbiha, daughter of Taj Muhammad. Alisha, daughter of Muhammad Qadir. Minhaj Fatma, daughter of Nasimur Rahman. Rahima, daughter of Muhammad Kashif. Sayyida Fiza Ali, daughter of Sayyid Shuja Ali. Arisha, daughter of Shamsher Ali. Rumaisa Khurshid, daughter of Khurshid Wali Khan. Adina Hassan, daughter of Muhammad Hassan Ali. Ayatun Nisa, daughter of Muhammad Rashid Minhas. Abiha, daughter of Niaz Ahmad. Now I am calling to top 10 for class 7. Abdul Moiz, son of Muhammad Islamuddin. Mirza Yusuf, son of Muhammad Iqbal Beg. Ali Abbas, son of Sarfraz Ahmad. Abdul Rahim, son of Muhammad Tahir. Faiz Ahmad, son of Naseem Ahmad. Zaid Raza, son of Asif Raza. Abdul Ahad, son of Nasir Zahir. Kabir Hussain, son of Imran. Muhammad Ayan, son of Khurshid Alam. Arman, son of Muhammad Zahid. Ayan Nasir, son of Nasir Ali. Tanzila Arshad, daughter of Arshad Ali. Wanya Jabin, daughter of Ishtiyaq. Alishba, daughter of Muhammad Qadir. Malaika, daughter of Muhammad Qadir. Aisha Mirza, daughter of Abdul Samad. Laiba Naz, daughter of Saud Khan. Amina Sajid, daughter of Sajid Iqbal. Isha Hamid, daughter of Muhammad Hamid. Rumaisa Khan, daughter of Muhammad Sufyan. Ariba Rashid, daughter of Muhammad Rashid.
दुनिया पैगामे उल्फत लेकर दिया जलाए आओ सब मिलकर.
And now I am calling the top 10 for class 8. Suleiman Khan, son of Khalid Khan. Ayan Bashir, son of Muhammad Bashir Ahmad. Mustafa Ahmad, son of Haider Ali. Arham Junaid, son of Junaid Ahmad. Hassan Ali, son of Shamsher Ali. Arif Hussain, son of Naeem Ahmad. Muhammad Ahsan Minal, son of Muhammad Shabbir. Abdul Mubin, son of Abdul Mateen. Arid Ahmad, son of Ahmad Noor. Hassan Usmani, son of Tokir Ahmad. Abika Siddiqui, daughter of Nawaz Siddiqui. Misbah Wakil, daughter of Wakil Ahmad. Tayyaba Anis, daughter of Muhammad Anis. Muraffa Faiz, daughter of Faizul Islam. Mehwish, daughter of Riazuddin. Huzaima Abid, daughter of Muhammad Abid. Kamal Ansari, daughter of Muhammad Asghar Ansari. Harim Mansoor, daughter of Muhammad Mansoor. Munhia Hassan, daughter of Muhammad Hassan. Tanzeem Tabassum, daughter of Muhammad Sabir. And now I am calling to Cooperative Student Award. So please big hands for our students. Fatma Yaqub for class 10. Ahsan Minhal for class 9. Maniha Hassan for class 9. Fahad Tasbiha from class 7. Sohaib from class 7. Minhaj from class 7. Adina from class 7.